Turn around. Don't drown when... The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, northwestern Iberia Parish in south central Louisiana, southeastern Lafayette Parish in south central Louisiana, St. Martin Parish in south central Louisiana, southwestern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northeastern Cameron Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 3 inches in 2 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lafayette, New Iberia, Abbeville, Catahoula, Scott, Breaux Bridge, St. Martinville, Kaplan, Lake Arthur, Gaydon, Krotz Springs, Leonville, Arnaudville, Avery Island, Fourth Island, Klondike, Broussard, Youngsville, Erath and Port Bar. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service